First of all, we will make this part the cone, and for that I'm using skin color. I'm starting with a magic circle. Now chain 2, 1, 2. Insert the crochet hook in our first chain, pull the thread. We have 2 loops on the crochet hook. Pull the thread from these 2 loops, and by doing that we have made a single crochet. One more single crochet in the same chain. Okay, now turn the work. Chain 1. We have 2 stitches here. Make 2 single crochet in each stitch. 1 and 2. Now 2 single crochet in the next stitch. 1 and 2. So now turn the work again. Chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch. 1, 2. We have 3 more stitches here. 1 single crochet in each stitch. Again turn the work. Chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch. 1 and 2. And now 1 single crochet in each stitch. We have 4 more stitches here. 1, again 1 single crochet next, 1 single crochet here, and this is the last stitch. 1 single crochet in this one. Okay, now turn the work again. Chain 1 and 1 single crochet in all the stitches. Okay, after this step you can see this already looks like a triangle. Now we have to make an outline from this part to this part. Like we will start making outline from here and then we will end it here. Chain 1, insert the crochet hook in the last stitch of this row and single crochet. Now we have these loops here with every row. Insert the crochet hook in each loop and make a single crochet. Okay, this one is completed. Now we have this stitch and insert the crochet hook here, pull the thread. We have 2 loops on the hook. Pull first loop from the second one and then cut the yarn. Okay, we have our cone completed. Now let's move toward next part. For the next part we are going to make these circles and we need 3 circles. Starting with a magic circle. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, yarn over the crochet hook, insert the crochet hook in a first chain, pull the thread. We have 3 loops on the crochet hook. Pull the thread from 2 loops and then pull the thread from last 2 loops. By doing this step we have made a double crochet. Okay, the starting chain 2, it will count as double crochet, so we have 2 double crochets here. Let's make 8 more double crochet in this chain. This is the last double crochet. Okay, we will leave it uncompleted here with the 2 loops on the hook. Now insert the crochet hook in the first starting 2 chains. We have 2 chains here at the start, 1 and 2. Insert the crochet hook in a top chain and pull the thread. We have 3 loops on the hook. Pull the first loop from these 2 loops, and this step is called slip stitch. Now cut the yarn. Okay, this is the finished circle, and I have made these 2 circles with the same process. Let's move toward the next step. Okay, this is the hair clip which we are going to use for this ice cream clip, and these are the pieces of felt sheet. Now what I'm going to do, we have to make a little cut here at this part, and let me show you why. First of all, just fold the paper and make a very little cut here. Now insert the clip in the cut like this. Okay, now I'm going to cut this felt sheet. See, I'll cut the other part same as this part. Now the last and final step. Now I'm going to add hot glue here. And I'll place the other paper on the clip like this. Just leave it for a few seconds. Okay. First of all, we will place the cone on the clip. Now I'll place the clip here very carefully, because I don't want my clip to look like a the last one here, and our clip is ready. I hope you guys like this tutorial, and I just can't wait to see your ice cream clips. By the way, I am stuck on 5,000 subscribers from a while, and I just request all of you to support my channel, so I will keep making tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video.